Alright, one last walkthrough before we head out. The anticipation is always high, but then you get on the road for about an hour and then you start dreading it. Here we go. Everyone ready?
Ready! I'm gonna try and be as goofy as
Ready! Hi, Shug. How are you doing? Huh? You're a little road warrior, ain't you? What do you say? You better be ready to sleep some more. Yeah.
Look at that, you weirdo. First trip, Dad.
We're driving through Nashville. There's always traffic in Nashville, even at 11:30 at night. Who is that girl? We're 10 hours from home. You just slept on through. No biggie. Amanda, how's your Panera?
It was good. Thanks, Janelle. Thanks for our breakfast.
Thanks, Janelle. Normally we don't let Hadley watch TV, so you put her in a car with a DVD player. Kids got it too easy these days. Don't they?
Yep.
Yup. After 13 hours, we finally made it. I slept for 45 minutes since Monday night? Monday night. When? Monday night? It's Wednesday.
Yeah.
I slept 45 minutes since then.
Hadley slept
Feel great!
15.
Hadley! Hey! Where you going? Hey! What are you doing?
Looking Craig.
What are you doing? Yeah.
Careful.
Hey, you ready to swim? You ready to swim?
Where are the...
some time with the family. I'm just fogging up. Spent some time with the family at the beach. Didn't record it, relaxed. Enjoyed my time with family. Now we are heading to a burger and sushi joint. See what that's all about.
Yeah.